I'm a first generation. I don't know anything about college, so I need all the help that I can get. So I go to HomeBase and they help me out.
The great thing about the HomeBase, especially being located right here in the building, is that faculty know they can refer students to the HomeBase and they'll get all their questions answered immediately.
We have our own counselor, we have this beautiful new building, and everything is just here, so you don't have to go over there at all if you don't want to.
I love the staff there, and I always walk in there for snacks, and they're willing to listen to whether it's a financial aid problem, whether it's class problems, or just personal problems.
We have several home bases, and this particular home base covers manufacturing, construction, and transportation. We have programs like welding and design technology, horticulture, and auto tech.
They're here to support the students, and they do that through their actions as well as what they supply outside of what our instructors do.
It does make students feel like they're home, and we have a team of people that even add to that program. We have snacks, we do all these different things to make them feel that they are an important part of why we're here.
I do recommend HomeBase to other students. It's a fantastic resource that's part of our curriculum, part of what they pay for as tuition, and it's a resource that they can rely on any time of day. I can't recommend HomeBase enough.
The HomeBase is here to help you succeed.
Now that you know what we're all about, I'm looking forward to seeing you at the home base.